Hello, my brides. Welcome back. My name is Wendi. I'll be your instructor today. So today we are doing a 10-minute bridal burn and sculpt. It's gonna be lower body, so we're gonna be focusing on your thighs and your little bum bum. Woo! We love a lifted bum for our wedding. So we're going to be doing about 4 exercises. We're gonna go through the circuit twice. Each exercise is going to be 45 seconds long, so get ready for it. You can lift or lower the resistance by choosing a certain amount of dumbbell weight. I'm gonna start with 10s. You can always drop that if you need to. You can also only use 1 10 if you want to. I'll be having them in both hands for some of the exercises, and you can just kind of follow along with that. So make sure you have your weights ready and everything, and we're gonna just start with dynamic stretching and a warm up. So here we go. We're gonna start with knee up and around. Take some deep breaths here as we go into lower body. This is gonna be really quick, but it's gonna be fun. You're gonna get in and out, and your legs are gonna get a good burn to them. Take that leg back for a quad stretch. And straight arm, hand to toe, opposite hand to toe. If you can't kick this high, it's totally fine. Just get up as high as you can. You wanna feel a stretch in the back of your leg. And folding 4 stretch. Ooh, a little pop in the hip. This is for your little booty. Pull it up. Nice job. We're gonna just start with some easy squats in 3, 2, and 1. So this is not part of the actual circuit, just warming your body up a little bit, getting the motion of these exercises into your lower body. You got 2 more here. You're gonna go hands behind your head. So same movement at the top, twist knee to elbow. Little raise here. Just getting warm. You got 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, so we're gonna start with alternating curtsy lunges. I'm gonna grab both of my 10s. Again, pick your poison. We got 45 seconds. So take a deep breath. Each exercise will be that long, so we'll be switching after that. Here we go. Back leg crosses behind. Drop down into that curtsy lunge. If you have some knee issues, I probably don't suggest doing a curtsy lunge. You might be twisting your knee into a position that you shouldn't be in. You can stick with regular lunges, or maybe if you need something that's less pressure, you can go into floor bridges. That may take off some of the pressure of your knees. But if not, if you're just hanging out with me here today with these lunges, then you're doing great, and keep it up. Nice, you got 10 seconds. We're gonna go into good mornings or straight leg deadlifts, as they call them, in 3, 2, and 1. All right. So feet are gonna be pointed straight forwards, back is flat. You're gonna come down, squeeze your glutes at the top, and I want you to keep the pressure on your glutes the entire time. So back is really flat with this exercise. A lot of people end up rolling their shoulders forward and curving their back. I don't want you to do that. If you're finding you're having a lot of trouble with this, maybe we'll switch the exercise for you. You can drop the weight, and you can just go hands behind head as you tilt forward. You should feel a little bit of a stretch in your hamstrings, but this should really be engaging your glutes the entire time. Nice. Woo! Ooh, if you are really pushing on your glutes, you should feel it already. I was smart this time. I didn't work out yesterday before all of these workouts, so these are just hurting because they hurt. 3, 2, and 1. All right, drop one of your weights, or you can drop both. We're gonna go into a plie squat. So toes are pointed out. You're gonna drop really low, lift up. I don't want you to lock out your knees at the top. Just lift up to a soft knee position. Lift and lower. Nice job. This is exercise 3. You got this. Abs are tight. Very good. Lift and lower here. Squeeze that little bum. Keep your chest up. If you want to do 2 weights, you can. You can also drop it down here if you don't want to hold up. You're almost there. You got 5, 4, come on. All the way to the end. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. All right, dropping down. We're gonna go a 5-pound dumbbell in between your calf and your thigh. You're gonna be on all fours here. We're gonna lift and lower that leg up into a donkey kick. So if it is too hard for you to hold the dumbbell, you don't need to have a dumbbell. It's totally fine. This is just a little extra burn because these are burner workouts. So we like to challenge ourselves. Lift and lower here. So you're squeezing that dumbbell, but you're also squeezing your glute at the top. And I really want to make sure that you're not overarching your back. Here, you want to keep your abs really tight, pushing past that point of tension into your glutes. So you're isolating in your lifting glute right now. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow, done with that side. Great job. Flip it over. Here we go. Other side, lift and lower. So this is the end of it, of your circuit. We're gonna repeat one more time and then you're done. Super simple, easy in and out. So make sure you're really pushing yourself, especially on the second round. So go up in weight if you can, drop a little lower, into those lunges, into the plie squat. Lift a little higher with these donkey kicks. You got it, you're almost there. In 5, 4, ooh, booty burn. 3, 2, and 1, nice job. All right, very little break. So go ahead and stand up, grab your weights. We're gonna go straight back into it. Deep breath, you got this. In 3, 2, and 1, here we go. Nice. Alternating. Drop low, make sure you're focusing on each movement, being really intentional with it. You don't have to go fast, but you do have to be intentional. You're almost there. Chest up. Deep breath. You have a purpose for doing all of this. We have a goal in mind. You're gonna look beautiful on your wedding day no matter what, but I'm very proud of you for showing up today. Almost there. 5, 4, we have good mornings after this. In 3, 2, and 1. Right into it. Here we go. Activating those glutes the entire time, forcing them to squeeze. So when I do this exercise and I'm really activating my glutes and squeezing, I am shaking throughout this entire movement. So I hope you're shaking too. Keep shaking. Deep breath. Back really, really flat for this. Don't allow yourself to roll your back into a rounded turtle shape because then you'll hurt your back. You got 8 seconds. Almost there. 5, we have plie after this. 3, 2, and 1. Good grief. Okay, here we go. You're gonna drop even lower than you did. Toes pointed out, lift and lower. Keep those knees soft. Amazing. Yes. Don't you feel the burn in your bum and your quads? I hope you do. It means you're doing it right. And this burner sculpt workout is working. Push, come on. You're almost through it. Don't quit on me now. You got 10 more seconds. I know it hurts. Woo, come on. 5, all the way to the end. 3, 2, and 1. What's that? We're down on the ground. Amazing. Here we go. Last of each exercise. Push up high, isolating that belly, lift and lower. Nice. You are doing great. We're gonna finish strong here. Keep your elbows soft as well. Don't lock out your elbows. And really push high. You are almost there. We are gonna actually do a little bit of a pulse at the end of this because I love you. All right, in 3 seconds, you're gonna lift up to your highest position. We're gonna pulse in 3, 2, and 1. Lift it up. Baby pulse, up an inch, down an inch. We are burning now, aren't we? I am sweating, yay. Whoo, come on. Little lift, little lower. You got 3. Push for 2. Almost there, and 1. For the longest 3 seconds of everybody's life. Okay, flip it over, here we go. Lift and lower, last exercise. You get to stretch after this, you're so close. This is why I love 10-minute workouts, because it's like we did a lot in 10 minutes, but it's only 10 minutes. Lift and lower all the way. Keep those abs tight. Keeping your hips pointed down, elbows soft, neck is in line. Doing great. We're gonna be pulsing soon, so don't even worry about it. Pulsing in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift it up, pulse, pulse, pulse. Come on, this is your last 15 seconds. You got it here. I want you to really focus on your glute. We're gonna push all the way through. This is for your bridal burn for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow, that hurt a lot. Great job. Go ahead and get your little bum into a stretching position. Cross one knee over. We're gonna release your bum tissue here. Press forward for this nice folding 4 stretch. So I'd like you to hop over and do a little stretch after this. Deep breath. If you don't like stretching, just set a timer for 4 minutes. It'll go by really fast and you'll get all your stretching in. I am so proud of you. Great job today. I hope your legs are feeling wobbly, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.